Stretchable hybrid devices have enabled artificial skin and implantable devices which contains the rigid modulus of microelectronics and softer modulus to fulfill human requirements. The interconnects between modulus need to tolerate stress concentration that may cause debonding failure under stretching. So here we fabricate a universal interface by gold nanoparticles. We can easily realize plug-and-play assembly of stretchable electronics that realize the stretchability and conductivity in the windmill. These technologies has opened up opportunities for startups and SMEs, which can be applied in smart health and social care, smart agriculture, smart manufacturing, and smart city.